So we're going to take our yarn, tail end in the left hand, long end in the right hand, or working end in the right hand. We're going to cross it over. So again, we have the tail end on top of our little loop here. And then we're going to take the tail end across the bottom, pull it through this hole, and pull this tight. So now we have a slip knot where if you pull the tail, it will close the knot. We're going to insert the hook. If you have the tail on top, the long end on the bottom here, we're going to insert the hook through this hole, and then you're going to pull it tight. So when you hold the hook with your needle pointing up, you should have your tail end on top and your long end coming out of the bottom. Then you're going to put your index finger and your thumb together in between the tail and your working yarn, and you're going to pull it apart so that you have a V or a triangle here. Then we're going to take your needle, come in behind your tail end, push it past your working yarn that's in your index finger, and then you're going to pull the working yarn back and then pull your tail end tight. So I'll show you again. You're going to push your tail end past your working yarn, pull the working yarn back, and then you're going to pull. So this is making a little, basically you're making another hole here, or a loop that you're going to pull your working yarn through. That's the idea. So that this slip knot loop is around your working yarn. And that is a simple cast on.